Hi everyone! Welcome back to our English lesson. Today, we're going to talk about a very important type of noun, uncountable nouns. These nouns are different from the ones we can count, and knowing how to use them correctly will make your English sound much more natural. So what is an uncountable noun? An uncountable noun is a noun that cannot be counted individually. Uncountable nouns often refer to substances, materials, or abstract ideas, things you can't separate into individual items. Think about things like water, milk, sugar, information, happiness, and furniture. You can't just pick up one happiness, can you? Let's look at some more examples to make this crystal clear. For substances or materials, we have words like water, milk, sugar, and bread. For abstract ideas, think of happiness, freedom, knowledge, or advice. And for things that are measured as a whole, we have furniture, equipment, and luggage. Notice how we don't say 2 waters or 3 furnitures. It just sounds wrong, right? That's because these nouns always stay in their singular form. So instead of 2 waters, you'd say some water or 2 glasses of water. So, when and why do we use uncountable nouns? We use them whenever we talk about things that are seen as a whole or cannot be counted one by one. To express quantity, we often use special words like some, a lot of, much, or phrases like a piece of. For instance, you could say, I need some water. She has a lot of knowledge. Or, can I have a piece of advice? These quantifiers help us talk about the amount without trying to count the uncountable. Here's a quick tip that will help you avoid common mistakes. Uncountable nouns always take a singular verb. You would say, the information is useful, not the information are useful. Also, you cannot use a or an directly with them because those articles mean one. So you wouldn't say an advice. Instead, you'd use phrases like a piece of advice, a cup of coffee, or a bit of information. It's all about using the right container or measure word. All right, let's do a quick recap. Uncountable nouns cannot be counted individually. They often refer to substances, materials, or abstract ideas. To talk about their quantity, use words like some, much, a lot of, or a piece of. And always remember to use a singular verb with them. My challenge for you is to practice spotting uncountable nouns in your daily life. Think about your water, furniture, the advice you get, or even your own happiness. Next time, we'll look at how countable and uncountable nouns work together in sentences, which will help you speak English more fluently. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you then!